Ganda ba naman?
Wide open from the long range. RG Narciso. Team Raffload. Here's De Losa. Kicks it down low. Ball stolen. Sumobo. Extra pass to JR. Ilustrisimo. Kinalabaw ng ilalim. And picks up a hurt. Here's Navelka. Stop from the long range. Rodeo down. Kicks it out to RG Face. Narciso Portray. RG Narciso Portray. Attacks the foul. Ilustrisimo extra pass to the corner. Attacks the lane. Lays it up. Early rejection. Ranger 5 still has a motion now. Kicks it out to Malabis. All to Trinidad. 4 seconds on the shot clock. Ilustrisimo Portray. From the outside. Trinidad has the possession now. And he has a double team. Extra pass in the corner now. Freaks. Here is the baseline jumper. Shot won't go. Jake David. Extra pass on their knee. Lays it up. Basket is good. Here is player number 18 with the basketball. Kicks it out to Trinidad. Here is Rance on the ladder. Shot look it down. 15 on the shot clock. Putting the ball away in Trinidad. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Shots for Ray. From the outside.
Walang travel doon. Atsos. Wala eh, ganda-ganda ng spin niya.
Tawagin mo doon.
Siyamsa.
Has a double digit score now.
Ayaw.
Patay ka na naman. Ang ganda lang ng spin niyo, walang travel.
Yung ginawa mo kanina, sablay yun. Pagka-spin mo,
Kicks it out down to Villa now. On to player 18. Kicks it out to Trinidad. On the ring of the deck. Rejection. Romanes over there now. Kicks it out to Villa. Bring a ball para Romanes. Ball stolen. Here is Reyes. Lays it up. Basket is good. Here's things on. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Kicks it out. Player number 18 with a fade. Baseline jumper. Basket is good.
Foul.
Here's things on the other now. Attacks the lead. Lays it up. Basket is good. Bring a ball to Villa. Extra pass to Romanes. Shots. Shot won't go now. And the ball stolen. Here is Villa. Extra pass underneath. Down low now. Won't go. Put back for the same side. Here's things on the basketball now. Ready for substitution. Extra pass down low again. Basket is good. Romanes. Here's the shot. No field for the second side. Basket is good. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Here is Villa. Takes it out to the side. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Extra pass underneath. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Downtown. Look up to RG. Narciso. All the JV for Ray. Shot won't go. Rebound by Navelka. 3-on-3 situation. Navelka size and will. Plays it up. Basket is good. Vince on the other now. Kicks it out down low. Here is Alagad for Ray. Downtown. Here's Charles Humbler now. Here is Palermo. Tightly guarded. Palermo crossing over. Palermo underneath. And we have a jumble. Here is Navelka with the possession. Navelka takes it out to Khalid. Alagad mo. Attacks. Won't go. Extra pass to Patieba. Here is Vince. Shots. Basket is good. Right now, kicks it out to Alagad mo. Balik ang bola para kay Vince. Here is Ganyeva off to Khalid. Alagad mo spins. Fades away shots. Basket is good. Little goal stolen. Drop back play. Basket is good. And we
Walang team lang ang kinuha rin.
ready for substitution. Charles on the leader now. Takes it out to J.R. Grabs it now. The active point guard for Team Flame Shield 2.0. Navelga takes it down on the Vince. Kanyeva fires for three. Two-strong shot. Charles with the rebound. Proverbo on the J.R. In a space from Lace. Basket is good. Here's Navelga. Crossing over. Takes it down to Khalid. Alagad mo on the other one. For three. Alagad mo connection. Long-range shot. Won't go. JD with the rebound. Takes it out to the space wall. Behind the back pass. Lays it up. Basket is good. Navelga. Extra pass to DL. Off the Vince. Shot clock is down, 10 seconds. Baseline jumper won't go. Rebound now by Charles. Here is Bobo on the attack. Bobo takes it down to Jordan. Here's close on to RG. Narciso for three. Close on for RG. Takes up another foul. Navelga with the basketball. Takes it out down to Alagad mo. Extra pass down on the knee. Fades away. Basket is good. Charles Smith on the way now. Takes it out down to J.R. Inexcusable lays it all down. And J.R. Inexcusable.
Baka lang dito sa ilalim.
Won't go. RG with the basketball. All the Charles. Forward to the Jordan. All the RG for three. RG is. EJ with the basketball now. Takes it out to Alagad mo. Extra pass. Herrera lays it off. Basket is good. And we have a foul again. Goes pulling down. Here's EJ stepping on the gas. Throws it up, won't go. Foul.
Bro, saan sa ulo bro?
Pass full motion for RG Narciso. Kicks it out down low. Shot. Won't go. Marvin with the possession. Kicks it out down low now. Here is Reyes. Alley play. Basket is good. Khalid. Off by EJ Herrera back. Basket is good. Bogo. Alagad mo with the rebound. Alagad mo to the other one. Lays it off. Basket is in. Maraming salamat po. Alagad mo for three. Won't go. Bogo with the rebound. Passing motion to J.R. Inexcusable lays it up. Basket is good. Alagad mo. Decisive throw. Won't go. RG with the lead. Narciso lays it off. Basket is good. Basket is good for J.R. Inexcusable. Charles Bogo underneath. Basket is good. Bogo has the possession now. Spins. Lays it off. Basket is good. Baseline shot. Bogo. RG with the lead. Lays it off. Basket is good. Alagad mo with the possession now. Kicks it down low under. Alagad mo on the corner. Kicks it out to EJ. 9 on the shot clock. Lays it off. Won't go. RG managed to save the possession. Basket is good. 2 points. JP back to Jordan. 1 go. Ten seconds on the shot clock. Basket is good for JR is reasonable.